Audio sync, clap, audio sync. Thank you. Right, so yeah. So my most recent model that I've printed was it's a Netzi order. So it is the model of the World Trade Center complex with two types of filament. So the base filament here is the base filament there is wood filament. It's by 80 20. I think it's 20% wood, and then yeah, the rest is it's a standard PLA, and then this gray is also just standard Creality rapid PLA. So so I've just got to now take it off the build plate. So I want to be delicate with it. I did I have printed it with both a skirt and a raft so that it adheres to the bed and doesn't peel up, as that does really, especially models like this, you know, you want to make sure that it's all pretty straight. Sometimes you can, right, so yeah, so there's the weak bit. I do use a very good but also sometimes a bit too good glue, which is this stuff, this JT16 stuff. It's really good, as you can see, because I used to have a lot of trouble with the Creality for the things peeling off the print bed because it's not undercover. I've got a cover. Oh, let's hit the mic. I have got a cover for it, but it's too big. It's just far too big. So, but I have got a cover, obviously, on that kitty, but yeah, not on the Creality. Right, so we're getting there. Just the wrap. So this is basically what 3D printer will print this bit first. And so if it goes wrong or doesn't make what you know, and also it helps stick to the build plate, as you saw with the difficulty I'm getting it on. Yeah. So we'll stick some felt on the bottom so that it gives it a nice base. That's awful. Right, so there we go. Model of the World Trade Center. What do you think? Yep, that.